So here we are. We got all set up. This thing is really well attended, which is really nice. There's so much nice stuff here. I don't know what to focus on. I think I'll do a walkthrough. At 12 noon is the, I don't know what they call it, smoky startup thing. Most everybody will start their bikes. Look at this collection of little bikes.
Checking out the bikes for judging. However,
Wicked Motorsports is here.
Come on up, that's going to be for sale. Oh, and stickers, full stickers, and we have dog treats.
Nice stuff over here. I'll have to go look at his hardware over there. Engine stuff. Very nice. Wow, that's nice. To Stroke Extravaganza. Just chatting with this guy about RZ 500s. Oh, nice.
There it is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll be back.
The giant killer.
Going around the brewery. Oh wow, these are very nicely restored bikes here. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Nice Bumblebee. There's like a couple of them here. There's a stock one.
These guys would know too.
Wow. And I've seen it.
Looks like you get your refreshments over here. There's a nice dirt bike section. Really nice. Really nice.
And if it's street legal, look out. Dude, I could probably get that plated, but I'm not
A couple little bikes. Some big boy dirt bikes.
That was the most painful.
Here's an important area. I was wondering if they would have food trucks here. This is really nice. Beautiful. For sale, make offer. Oh, you got a lot of nice triples here. That's a cool one.
Yeah, the Banshee's got way more. Oh, doesn't have the power valve.
There's a custom bike. Nice LC. It's a two-stroke. It's a very shiny TDR. Looks beautiful. Wow. Beautifully done. Very nice. It's probably a 421 from Wicked Motorsports. Oh, 443. How about that? At the two-stroke extravaganza.
I'm trying to find a piece of land.
We'll be hitting the road now for about a 5-hour drive home. These guys did a fantastic job on this show. Thank you, Southern California dudes, for putting on a great show. You have anything to say for yourself, Julian?
Oh, it's a great time. Good show. Have fun.
We made it home. Looks like we went 622 miles, 10 hours, 40 minutes in the truck, 13.8 miles per gallon average. It was a good trip. Home safe. Best of show trophy. It's really neat. And it's 8:42 p.m. Good night.